Today I would like to explain the concept of license server consolidation. So let's look here in this example. We have two license servers, LM1 with 30 seats and LM2 with 20 seats. So the first question is, why are they separate in the first place? So that's easy, many reasons. Sometimes geography, network problems, budgeting, who actually bought the license server, and in many organizations we can still find many separate license servers for the same feature. So they are separate, and we see 30 seats here and 20 seats here. So let's assume a very efficient handling of the server for the sake of the discussion, and let's say that this server with 30 seats is utilized to up to 25 licenses normally, and 5 are not always in use, and let's say this one also maybe 15 are in use all the time. So what we see here, we see 5 licenses here and 5 licenses here that are not actually in use. So most of the time they are like free for other users to use it. So we lost 10 licenses. What happens if we consolidate the 2 license server and we have now 1 license server? So we have 50 licenses. And let's say again we will have about this line 45, which is the level of utilization we can achieve, and in that case we are wasting 5 licenses. So overall, instead of 10, we are wasting 5. So we have 5 licenses that we earned, people can use it. Also take into account that maybe the project here stopped, but here we have pressure, and here nobody is using the licenses, but here there is a very high demand for licenses. So in that case we will better utilize the consolidated license pool. Thank you for joining. If you liked it, please click like or subscribe. Thank you.